Welcome to GCL Heating and Plumbing Services. We're a small, independently run company who specialise in all aspects of heating and plumbing services, from replacing a tap washer to a full bathroom installation and central heating repair. At GCL Heating and Plumbing, we will take the stress and uncertainty out of your situation, offering a full 12-month guarantee with all work undertaken. We are proud to be a WRAS approved company, and an emergency call-out service is available for anyone in and around Flintshire and Chester. Call now to speak to a member of our team.